Today we are taking a look at a board that I recently added to the collection, the Matrix Lab Magic3 Year of the Rabbit HHKB. I've wanted this thing since the group buy way back in 2023, and today we're finally answering if it was actually worth the wait. It's always eluded me because the funds never lined up when it popped up in the aftermarket. But recently, a local homie was letting hers go. I happened to have the disposable cash at the exact right time, and I didn't hesitate to save the board. I knew if I had let it go, it was never going to come back. Now, Matrix has traditionally never been known for the sound. They've been known for their aesthetics, attention to detail, and those crazy intricate backweights. When I bought it, she told me she actually has the 1.6 solder PCB from Faye that goes with this board, but she's holding on to it because her heart is set on getting the linen version of the Magic 3 down the road. I secretly hope that she gives up on that dream so that I can grab that solder PCB from her one day. As it stands now, I built this using the stock 1.2mm hotswap PCB it came with, but it does have a beautiful solid red aluminum plate, none of those skeleton meme flex cuss Matrix is known for. I believe it's probably from Hype. I loaded it up with lubed, filmed, and spring swapped Cherry MX Blacks, and honestly, I was pleasantly surprised at how good it sounded. You guys know Cherry is my jam when it comes to my personal boards, and I can totally enjoy this build on the stock 1.2mm PCB. I've been typing on it happily for a week straight. It sounds significantly better than Navi I just picked up on a trade. This guy is special. It feels incredibly satisfying to finally land a board you've wanted for years and have it actually deliver in sound, especially given it's a Matrix board. To show you what I mean, I've set up a back-to-back against another recent acquisition, the Neo60 CU, loaded with MX Reds and Typeplus stabilizers. Now, as good as the Neo60 CU is, this Matrix is absolutely eating it up in my opinion, even on that 1.2mm PCB. The Magic 3 is running Night V3 stabs, you can really hear the difference here. The Neo60 CU hasn't been modded or bumped yet, and you can hear that long foot is hurting the overall sound of the board. Let's get right into the sound test and the back-to-backs.
I just died in your arms tonight.
Thank you for hanging out and checking out this personal build with me. As much as I'd love to praise the Neo60 CU for being damn good, this Matrix is just beating it, albeit at a much higher price point, but still, it's a massive win. Thank you everyone for your love and support. I love you all. We'll be back with a new Switch review shortly, starting with the HMX egg yolks, so stay tuned for that. See you soon. Peace out.